How to earn money online. There are many ways to earn money online. Some options include freelancing. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer in areas such as writing, graphic design, social media management, or web development. Selling products. You can sell products online through a platform like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon, or you can build your own e-commerce website. Dropshipping. Dropshipping involves setting up an online store and partnering with a supplier who handles the storage, shipping, and fulfillment of orders. Affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Online tutoring. Offer tutoring services or create and sell online courses in a subject you are knowledgeable in. Blogging. If you enjoy writing, you can start a blog and monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Virtual assisting. Offer your administrative, technical, or creative skills to businesses or individuals remotely. Taking online surveys. There are websites that pay you to take surveys online. While the pay is usually not very high, it can be a simple way to earn some extra cash. Remember to do your research and be cautious when considering online earning opportunities. Make sure any websites or companies you work with are legitimate and transparent.